Today we talk about how can you enable emails notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account settings here. So then you go down here until you will find here manage emails. Just click on it. Then you come here to in subscribe for all emails. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean in subscribe from all emails notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.